Welcome to the Canva course. Become a Canva qualified professional, a detailed course on Canva. In this video, we are going to see an overview of Canva. Canva can be used by anybody, even a person who is not having any knowledge about designing can also use Canva and create wonderful designs. You all know that Canva is a graphic designing platform with which we all can create professionally looking designs at ease, even if you don't have any designing skills or experience. And this course is for anyone who is involved in designing, and even for a common man who actually is very much interested in creating posts for social media. He can also use Canva and create his post easily. So what all we can do using Canva is we can create a design, we can create a newsletter, you can create a PowerPoint presentation, you can create a reel using the templates available. So without wasting much time, let us go to this overview of Canva. So here we go. The title of this course is Become a Canva Qualified Professional, a detailed Canva course. Now let us see the overview of this course. So introduction to Canva tutorial, and you will be learning to design with Canva. You'll be learning to use all the templates present in the Canva, and also you will be knowing to modify the photos or customize the photos in Canva using the Canva app as well as the laptop and PC version. So under the introduction to Canva tutorial, you will be having the details about what is Canva and benefits of using Canva and getting started with Canva. And comes the next title, that is designing with Canva. You will be able to create a design on your own, either using the templates available or from the scratch also. You can design anything. Then you will learn to add graphics to the post and also adding text. So you will be learning. So under the designing with Canva title, you will be learning to create a design, and you will be learning to add text and graphics on your post, and also you will learn to save the design you made and share your design you made to anybody through email, or various other methods are also available. Now the next title is using templates in Canva. Canva actually has a huge library of templates. You can use it and customize it as per your need and requirement. Then it's not necessary you keep the template as it is. You can customize it according to your taste. And then again, you will be learning to save and share your template also. Under the next category, using photos in Canva, there are again n number of photos available in the library. At the same time, you can upload your own photographs and then customize it according to you. You can edit the photos. You can change the color, size. Even with Pro version, you can remove the background of the photos also. Again, finally, you definitely need to save and share the design you created. That also can be done very easily. Next comes the using the Canva app. In this course, you will learn to download the app from Play Store, and then after that, using the app in a mobile also. Like you can create all the designs, all e-books or e-magazine, book cover, any presentations in the app with the help of a mobile also. In case if you do not have a PC or a laptop, you do not have to worry about it, because in the Canva is providing two versions. One is of laptop version and the other one is of mobile version. So you'll be learning about the mobile version, how to use it, and then how to edit it, how to create it, all those things you will learn clearly. Then the final summary is additional resources which are available in the Canva will be shared with you. And then if you talk about throughout this overview, like what all the things you can learn in Canva is you can create a design, you can customize a design, you can use the templates, you can use the photographs, you can create a video, intro video, and then you can again customize the video according to you. You can create PowerPoint slides using Canva. You can also create newsletter. You can create Facebook art channel and posters and e-books, e-book covers, e-magazines, you name it, and you will be able to do anything and everything with Canva. I hope it's a magic platform for designers, and even people without any knowledge of designing can also learn and use Canva without any problem after this course. So thank you for watching. I'll be coming up with another video how to get started with Canva. Thank you for watching.